What's up, everybody? It's Kelsee Briana J here with my April favorites. And April was a month that a lot of things went down in, and I feel like the month just was a really long month, but we are now finally in May and we are full swing into spring summer. So I've been trying out a lot of new products, but I don't have a lot of new things to share with you guys. Let's start out with Allegra. No, I'm just kidding, because my allergies have been a fool. Honestly, I hate the spring just because of my allergies. But if I didn't have bad allergies, it's not that bad of a season. But the allergies just kill it for me. But the first actual product that I have been loving is this brush by Royal and Langnickel. And it appears to be a flat foundation brush, but it's actually a thicker flat foundation brush, and oh my gosh, I have loved this brush so much. This is the BOM 142, and I have been using this brush so much, and I love the way I can pack on my makeup, and I like how I can blend out this little line from my concealer to my foundation, so there's no line of demarcation. And this brush is very handy. This brush is super dense, so it's almost like a kabuki brush, but yet it has a point, so you can be more precise. It's a synthetic haired brush. I use it all the time, and I actually had to fight with myself not to use it today because I have been loving it. This Fenty Beauty bronzer, and honestly, when I did my initial review, I did not think that I loved this bronzer. It wasn't until I tried it and I tried it and I tried it and I was like, okay, girl, you've been reaching for this bronzer every single day. So I think that that warrants a favorite, and I think I liked it a little bit more than I thought I did. I think I like it. So I've been wearing this bronzer all the time. If you guys didn't see my initial review, make sure you go check that out. I have the color Island Ting, and I use it all the time. It is a really beautiful caramel colored bronzer. It just melts into the skin, and I love it. I wear it all the time. There, I said it. It's my boyfriend. No, I'm just kidding. I wear it all the time. Another cheek product that I have been reaching for like a crazy woman is the Too Faced highlighter in the color Canary Diamond. And I love this because it is a pinkish golden highlight that almost gives off a little bit of a hint of pink, and it makes my cheek area pop. It is so pretty. It's so multi-dimensional, and I love how it looks on my cheekbones. I don't have it on right now, but it is so beautiful. I've been all about the cheek area this month, to be completely honest. Last cheek products, I promise. These are the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm face palettes, and I love both of them equally. You guys saw my review on these. I was like, I don't know which one I like more. The lighter one gives me a different effect than the darker one. They both look beautiful on my complexion, and I love these because the glow that they give is unreal in just like a second skin, and I love how it just melts in. And it's not going to be the most pigmented thing when you swatch them, but when you apply them, it gives you another level of glow. It is just the softest, smoothest, most ethereal glow that you can get. I promise you, try it on your face. If you swatch it and you're like, try it on your face, because it's going to be the next level pretty. So love these. I have been loving these Sydney Grace eyeshadows. I'm trying not to blind y'all. These eyeshadows right up here, these are so gorgeous. And if you all have not tried Sydney Grace eyeshadows, do yourself a favor and do so. These eyeshadows are formulated so well. They are inexpensive, and they give the prettiest color payoff. So I love these. These are the new summer colors, and I love them. Love them. I love all of them that were launched. These are my ones from the fall, so I just keep them in this same palette. Check them out. Okay guys, so I have been in love with this Hourglass foundation. The way that I use it is I just put a little bit, and a little bit goes a very long way, and it gives me the prettiest matte velvet full coverage look. And I know this is a very polarizing foundation. Not everybody is going to like it because it is thicker, but because it's thicker, it gives me the perfect canvas. I have the color Warm Beige, and it looks like my skin in a bottle. So you just gotta rub it the right way. I love this foundation. When I wanna look extra flawless, this is the one that I go for. These Kaja eye trios are the shit. They are the bomb. You need to try them. I love the colors 02 Orange Blossom and 03 Toasted Caramel. And I told you guys that I was going to do a video on these in my Sephora haul, and I did do one. And this is the newest thing that I added to my favorites, but I would be doing you all a disservice if I did not add these. It doesn't matter that I just started using them. I know a good product when I see it, and these are beautiful. So I will say, if you all like shimmery eyeshadows, You need these. These are formulated so beautifully. I think that these are absolutely gorgeous. And for the price point, you get 3 different colors. You can do so many different looks with each one of these. Like, hello. So the last product that I want to share with you all from my favorites that I've been using all month is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist 24 Gold Infused Hydrate Plus Prime Plus Set Spray. This spray right here, takes your makeup to the next level. I want to spray myself right now. Should I do it? No, I'm not going to do it. I've already misted myself today, so I'm going to practice a little bit of restraint, but this mist is thetruth.com. I am here for all of these glow mists that have been launching because they're necessary. All of them. That's everything that I have been loving for the month of April. But I do have a little bit of PR that I want to share with you guys. And I got some things this month. The first thing that I want to share are some more Sydney Grace eyeshadows. This is a new set that she just launched. This is called the Danish Dream Bundle. And oh my gosh. These are so on trend right now. These are all green. 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 Verde. So these are all variations of green eyeshadows. I already know the formulation is going to be the bomb. I've got to go buy a new empty palette to put these in, but these are so pretty. So thank you, Sydney Grace, for my eyeshadows. They are always appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sonia G sent me some brushes. Oh my gosh, you all know I love Sonia G brushes. And funny story, she actually reached out to Mel and was talking to Mel, and she said that she wanted to surprise me with some brushes, but I didn't have my P.O. box listed. So she asked her and she surprised me and she sent me these brushes. So thank you, Sonia. She is the sweetest person, I promise. And thanks, Mel, for telling her my P.O. box, because you already know your girl loves brushes. So this one is the Sculpt 2 brush, the Crease 2 brush, and the Builder 3 brush. And funny story, I actually got some refer brushes and they reached out to Mel first and they were like, so do you know anybody that wants to try some brushes? And she was like, yeah, Kelsey. So they were like, would you like to try our brushes? And I was like, heck yeah. So we connected because of Mel too. So now we have a little joke that she's my brush girl. Anybody else want to send brushes through her, it's fine with me. Go ahead and just contact Mel Thompson and, you know, send brushes to me. So, so I'm excited to try these. I've not tried any of them yet. This brush right here is something serious. This is the 06 brush. I've been needing a new angled blush brush or like cheek brush. This one is the 04 brush. Oh yeah. This is giving me MAC 239 vibes. This one is the 02 brush. I love a small pencil brush. This one is the 03 brush. This one is a very interesting shape. It is a teardrop shaped brush, but yet it's kind of flat. So I'm excited to try this one too. This one is the P08 brush. This one is a flat blending brush. This one is the 01 brush. And this one is a powder brush. This one is the 05 brush. So again, thank you so much to Refer. I cannot wait to try out these brushes. I will definitely keep you guys posted on what I think about them. But first impressions with me touching them, they feel like they are the truth. But again, thank you so much, Refer. I have some earrings by the brand Marked by Mole, and I love Marked by Mole. This is my cousin's earring line, so of course I'm going to support. She sent me over these earrings, and you guys may have seen me wearing these earrings in my Urban Decay Game of Thrones video. She also sent over another style to me. Oh my god, I die. I love these earrings. They are fish skeleton earrings. Is that what I should call these? Also have a coupon code for her website if you want to shop with her. But her stuff is quality, it's super pretty, very blingy. She has a lot of intricate jewelry. I will have her website links down below, as well as my coupon code, which is KBJ25. Super exciting and super pretty. Thank you, Marked by Mole. I got some things sent over from my peeps at Pixie. So this collection is all about the glow. This is actually called the Glow Collection, and it has a good amount of stuff in here that I'm really excited to try. So it has a cleanser, glow tonic serum, a phenomenal gel, which is a pH gel, and a moisturizer. So I am so excited to try this because I tried the last stuff that they sent and I'm like, okay, Pixie coming through. So thank you again to Pixie for sending over all these things. And lastly, my family at Muse Beauty Pro sent me over some new eyeshadow singles from visiarts. So if you guys have not heard, visiart has launched 50 singles of some of their most popular eyeshadow shades, so you can customize your own palette. So they picked out some shades for me and sent them over, and I went ahead and popped them into the palette. So the palette comes empty and you're able to customize and build it however you want. So I left these two wells empty so you guys can see how it would look. Full size eyeshadows, each shade costs costs $12. The palette costs $15. And this is really exciting because I'm a huge fan of visiart eyeshadows, but a lot of times with pre-made palettes, you're not able to customize what shades you want, and so you're left with some colors that you may not use. Or with me, I love the neutrals palette so much that I was scared that I'm gonna hit pan on certain shades, but then I'm gonna be left with all the other shades, and you may not want to buy an entire palette just because you finished one or two shades. So this is a way for you all to preserve your palette. Very cool. I'll go ahead and pop the last two shades in. So these are all colors from all across Visiart's range of eyeshadows. Magnetized, all you do is just pop it in. So here's my palette. Thank you so much to Muse Beauty Pro for sending these eyeshadows over. I love Visiart eyeshadows, so thank you all so much for finally creating the singles that everybody has been asking for. That's everything that I have for PR. So if you all want to send me PR, or if you have anything that you would like to send me, hit me up via email and I will gladly provide you all with my PO box. But let's move on to Kelsee on Culture, and let's talk about some things that went down in April. So the first thing that I absolutely have to talk about is Game of Thrones. Like, my mind was blown. Without giving away any spoilers, woo! That's all I'm gonna say. Let's talk about it down in the comment section. If you guys want to have a conversation, make sure you put spoiler alert and we can have a conversation. And if you all are not caught up on it, you have got to get caught up on it because it is a matter of time before somebody is going to spoil it for you. The next thing that I was super excited about this month was that Beyonce was coming out with a documentary on Netflix overviewing her infamous Beachella performance that went down last year at Coachella, and I was so excited about this. If you guys don't know, I'm a mega huge Beyonce fan. I have been ever since 1998 when she came out with No No No. Might have been 97. So I've been a fan of hers for pretty much my entire life. So when I saw that she was coming out with this documentary, I was like, yes, because I love Beyonce's documentaries because we get to know more about her behind the scenes because she's always so professional, so poised and put together. I'm like, let me see Beyonce like really be like a person. You know what I mean? So I really enjoyed the documentary, but I just wish that it gave a little bit more behind the scenes because I already saw the performance. I can almost do most of the choreography. You know what I mean? So it's like, I wanted to know more about how did you develop this concept? Like, how do you interact with the people? I just want to see more of her, like not being the entertainer, but being like a mom and being a wife and being her. We got little tidbits, but I just wanted a little bit more. But nonetheless, like, she killed Coachella to the point where it will forever be Beachella. And anybody that comes after her is like, I'm sorry, is never going to measure up to her. But let's do some Kelsee's comment corner, shall we? So Ashley Clemens wrote and said, I just wanted to leave you a note to say that I've been watching your YouTube channel for several months now, and my makeup looks have been so much more creative lately. I feel excited about makeup again like I was when I first started learning, which was like forever ago, LOL. Thank you for your hard work and inspiration. You are a blessing. So that really touched me because I was like, thank you, because I know how it was when I first started learning how to do makeup and how into it I was. So for her to say that to me and tell me that she is really inspired by everything that I do, like, that really touched me. So thank you so much, Ashley. You don't know how much these types of comments mean to me, especially in times where I feel just kind of over it and overwhelmed and like, oh, what am I doing this for? And then when I get a comment like that, I'm like, that's what I'm doing it for. So thank you. Marcia B said, yes, I mean, I was getting this palette before your review, but now I am getting this palette, hunty. Thanks, girl. I hope that you got your palette and you are enjoying your palette because that's what it's all about, right? I don't know how to quite pronounce this name, so I'm just going to leave that comment here. This person said, does my collection need this? No. Will my collection be receiving it? Yes. Hashtag sold. Thanks to Kelsee Briana J. Like, y'all are crazy. But thank you. I love that you all trust me enough to get things based on my word. So Oreo K said, this video was so soothing. Addie K, something about watching you blend out the products. Thank you. I love that. I love that compliment. I really appreciate that because I, pretty much like everybody else, don't like to really listen to myself talk because I feel like my voice can be like, it's like something about hearing yourself talk. But to hear you say that my voice is soothing, thank you. Joey H, and I'm not going to attempt to butcher your last name. Kelsee, this video is fantastic. I love seeing these unique type videos. Your battle of the concealers, products I thought I'd use more, and products that are a no were amazing video ideas. You really do provide your viewers with such exciting and interesting content and really keep us informed. Thank you so much. This video actually gave me new ideas about products that are not present in the million of videos that I've seen in the past week for the VIB sale. I'll be changing my cart again. LOL, LOL, LOL. Well, thank you so much. I do try to bring a little bit more flavor on my channel. A lot of times I never really know how those videos are going to be received, and I'm like, are you all gonna watch it? Are you gonna like it? Like, am I wasting my time? But surprisingly, my more creative videos get a lot more views than some of my reviews do. So you guys seem to really like it when I do something different. So I'm just going to continue to do that. And I have a million ideas. Honestly, I will run out of time before I run out of ideas. That is my blessing. I'm an Aquarius. I'm always thinking. I appreciate that you all are liking my video ideas, and I will keep them coming because I always have a fresh idea. Thank you all so much to anybody who has ever left me a comment. I really do enjoy reading them all. I've been crazy busy for like the past year pretty much, so I have slipped on responding to my comments like I used to. So I still intend on setting a day to just sit and respond to comments, and I don't know when I'm going to be able to do that before June. But just know, even if you wrote me a comment 3 months ago or 2 years ago, I still may just be sitting there one night on the couch and respond back to you. So I read every comment, even if I don't always respond. Trust me, I read it, I saw it. And if you ask me a question and I don't know right then, I may heart that comment and come back to it. But just know, I'm going to come back to you. I just may not know right then. So thank you all so much for watching until the end. Let me know what products or things or anything that you've been loving. I will check you all in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.